Leftovers should never feel like a compromise. But the truth is, microwaves ruin flavor, destroy texture, and leave food dry or rubbery. That's where Pacuzzi comes in. Pacuzzi is a smart, non-toxic silicone device that turns any skillet into a steam oven, restoring moisture, flavor, and freshness in just minutes. Instead of blasting your food with harsh heat, Pacuzzi gently revives it using natural steam. The result is food that tastes like it was just cooked. If you love good food and hate wasting leftovers, Pacuzzi might be the kitchen upgrade you never knew you needed. What is Pacuzzi? Pacuzzi is a reusable, platinum-grade silicone steaming device designed to reheat food the right way. Instead of relying on microwaves or bulky steam appliances, Pacuzzi fits directly into any skillet or sauté pan and creates a sealed steam chamber using only a small amount of water. It transforms your pan into a mini steam oven that gently circulates hot steam around your food. Pacuzzi is made from FDA food-grade silicone and is completely non-toxic, BPA-free, and safe for high temperatures up to 500 degrees. It is compact, flexible, easy to store, and dishwasher safe, making it perfect for everyday use. Whether you're reheating pizza, pasta, rice, vegetables, stir-fry, or even baked goods, Pacuzzi brings food back to life instead of drying it out. How does Pacuzzi work? Pacuzzi works by creating a sealed steam environment inside your pan. The dome-shaped silicone design traps steam and circulates it evenly around your food, allowing it to heat gently from all sides. Unlike microwaves that remove moisture and damage texture, steam adds moisture back into food while preserving flavor and structure. With just 1.5 ounces of water, Pacuzzi generates up to 20 minutes of hot steam. Once the water begins to boil, the steam fills the pan and surrounds your food. This process locks in moisture, keeps the inside soft, and helps maintain crisp edges where needed. Because steam transfers heat efficiently, Pacuzzi cuts reheating time in half compared to an oven. Most meals are perfectly reheated in just 6 to 10 minutes, without burning, drying out, or turning soggy. Features and benefits of Pacuzzi. Pacuzzi's biggest advantage is how it restores moisture and flavor to food that would normally be ruined by reheating. Leftovers taste fresh again because steam gently rehydrates them instead of drying them out. Pacuzzi works with any pan you already own. There is no need to buy a special steamer, pressure cooker, or bulky appliance. You simply press it into your skillet and cover it with a lid. It offers a fast 3-step process that anyone can use. Add water, place Pacuzzi in the pan, and cover it. That's all it takes. Pacuzzi reduces reheating time dramatically. Instead of waiting 20 minutes in an oven, you get fresh food in under 10 minutes. It helps reduce food waste because leftovers become enjoyable again. When food tastes good the second time, you're less likely to throw it away. Pacuzzi is made from 100% platinum-grade silicone that is safe for high heat and completely plastic-free. It will not melt, warp, or release harmful chemicals. It is compact and flexible, making it easy to store in any kitchen drawer. It is dishwasher safe and easy to clean. It requires no oil or added fat, making it ideal for health-conscious cooking. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. How to use Pacuzzi. Using Pacuzzi is simple and requires no special skills. First, press the Pacuzzi into the base of your skillet so it forms a snug seal. Next, pour about 1.5 ounces of water into the Pacuzzi and turn your stove to medium heat. When the water starts boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low. Then place your food into the pan, cover it with a lid, and allow the steam to circulate. Most foods will be perfectly reheated within 6 to 10 minutes. The steam locks in moisture, revives texture, and restores flavor, so your leftovers taste like they were freshly cooked. Pacuzzi can also be used for steaming fresh vegetables, dumplings, eggs, desserts, and more. Pacuzzi pros and cons. Pacuzzi offers a much healthier alternative to microwaving. It preserves flavor, texture, and nutrition instead of destroying them. It works with your existing cookware and requires no special appliances. It saves time compared to oven reheating. It reduces food waste and saves money in the long run. It is non-toxic, BPA-free, and safe for daily use. It is compact, portable, and easy to clean. On the downside, Pacuzzi requires a stovetop and a pan, so it is not as instant as a microwave. It also takes a few extra minutes compared to pressing a microwave button, but the quality of the food is significantly better. For people who value taste and texture, the trade-off is worth it. Price and where to buy Pacuzzi is available online through its official website and select featured platforms. It is often offered in bundle deals that include the Pacuzzi mat for delicate foods such as bagels, desserts, and eggs. Current offers include single packs, buy one, get one discounts, and multi-pack bundles with free shipping. Prices start around $34 for a single unit, with larger bundles offering significant savings. Pacuzzi ships fast, with most orders delivered within 3 to 5 business days in the United States. International shipping is also available. Every purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try Pacuzzi risk-free. Pacuzzi conclusion. If you're tired of soggy pizza, dried-out rice, and rubbery leftovers, Pacuzzi is the solution you've been looking for. This simple silicone device transforms your skillet into a steam oven, restoring moisture, flavor, and texture in minutes. It's easy to use, safe for daily cooking, and works with the pans you already own. Instead of ruining food in the microwave, Pacuzzi brings it back to life. For anyone who loves good food and hates waste, Pacuzzi is a smart, practical kitchen upgrade that pays for itself fast.